Already have a project? Let's import it into Windsurf AI in just few clicks. First, open Windsurf AI and go to your dashboard. Here at the top left corner, you can see the file option. Tap on it. Now you can choose open file or open folder. This will allow you to import a file or folder from your computer into Windsurf AI. Tap on the one you prefer. Now choose the folder you want to import into the Windsurf AI. After a few moments, your project will appear in the dashboard, ready to edit and optimize. If the import fails, ensure your file format is supported and try again. What kind of projects are you working on? Share in the comments. Now you are all set to continue working on your imported project. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.